Good morning viewers, you're watching Drive to Destination and it's 7:30 in the morning, and today we are traveling from Bangalore to a beautiful hill station in Tamil Nadu, and that is Coonoor, which is around 19 kilometers from Ooty. Right now it's very foggy and it's a little bit lesser traffic for us, so it's nice. It's a good early morning drive, and this time we have started a little bit late because Ooty it takes around approximately 8 hours, so we have started around 7 o'clock in the morning, and we have crossed nice road, toll right now, and we are driving through nice road, and we actually wanted to use fast-tag, but I don't know why they say it in the toll booth that fast-tag is not active as of now. So there was a long queue of all the cars waiting there, so we have waited there for almost around more than 5-10 minutes. So we will catch up with you once we reach Mysore and we stop for our breakfast. So keep watching, and our destination is Coonoor, and once we reach Coonoor you will get to see more separate vlogs on the different places we visit in Coonoor. Thank you, bye bye, and have a very Merry Christmas, and keep watching Drive to Destination. Thank you.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for.
Hello viewers, this is Roy here. Just a quick update on the road. As per Google, we have taken the Kanakpura exit from Nice Road, which apparently is not really a good road. The reason being it's a single road with a lot of diversions and work in progress going on. So not really a recommended road. So I would say that even if Google gives you a diversion for Kanakpura Road from the Nice Road, you go a little ahead and take the next diversion, which is going to be the Mysore Road diversion from Nice Road, and take the Bidadi Road to Mysore. That is a toll road, but it's much better than the Kanakpura Road. Thank you. After some time, this is a bit of nice road that we have got at the moment. It's pretty good compared to what we have faced by taking the Kanakpura diversion. This is a decent road, nice drive, and I'm enjoying it after a while. Thank you. So we're going to take a little more time to reach Mysore, where we will plan to have our breakfast, and after that is going to be the cart section towards Ooty. That is what we are going to be looking forward to. Other than that, Mysore is a regular road, right? So whichever route you take, you have to be a little careful with the diversions. Thank you.
Welcome back viewers. We are currently driving on Mysore bypass, and we are going towards Nanjangun. As we have taken a diversion via Kanakpura to Mysore, so we really couldn't find any proper place to take breakfast. So we have stopped for a short tea break, and we were carrying few snacks with us, so we have done our breakfast with that, and right now we are going towards Nanjangun, and later we will be crossing through Bandipur, Mudumalai and Ooty to Coonoor, and
your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met, your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love.
Welcome viewers, we have just crossed Masinagudi and we are heading towards Ooty, which is around 36 kilometers from here, and we will have 36 hairpin bands to
Coming up.
drive now, and once the 36 hairpin bands are completed we will be inside Ooty town. So hopefully we should reach Ooty by another 1 to 1 hour, or maybe within another 1.5 hours. So it has been a very pleasant drive inside the Bandipur and Mudumalai forest reserve. We got to see many deer, wild boar and wild dog and langur. So it was quite interesting. So we have just stopped for a little break here, and we will start driving uphill towards Ooty town, covering 36 hairpin bands. Keep watching and do not forget to subscribe, like and share Drive to Destination. Thank you. Bye bye. Hello, so we have finally reached Ooty, and we have stopped for our lunch now, and Mr. Roy has successfully driven through the 36 hairpin band, and this is the second time actually we are doing this. We have driven through the 36 hairpin band another 5 years back, and it's a little bit risky, and you have to be very cautious while taking the bands. You cannot really stop your car anywhere to see the view around you, but you have to stay alert 100%.
Yep.
So right now we have stopped to take lunch, and we'll catch you back in our next vlogs from Coonoor town. Bye bye, and please don't forget to subscribe.